Hi there, I'm Nick with freedomlifebusiness.com. Welcome to my video, and I hope that you are having a wonderful day today. A discussion in one of our masterminds came about in regards to religion inclusivity in your marketing strategies. Today, I'm going to be discussing online marketing and why it's imperative to stay away from religion and politics. Now, when we talk about online marketing, we're referring to strategies like blogging, social media, and website marketing. These platforms are a great way to reach potential customers for your business, but there are certain topics that you should avoid. Religion and politics can be pertinently controversial topics, and when dealing with them on an online platform, you're never sure who's going to be on the other end of the message. You never know who may be offended or how it will affect your outcome because they may not follow the same beliefs as you. They could potentially be a customer. Therefore, for the purpose of business, it is best to keep away from religion and politics. Altogether, instead, keep your focus on topics that are more relevant to your business and the service that you offer. For example, you could provide valuable information about what you have to offer. Use interesting visuals or graphics to capture people's attention, or promote offers or discounts. These are just some of the many strategies that you can market your business online without getting into hot water. In conclusion, when it comes to online marketing, it is in your best interest to step away from religion and politics and focus on topics that will benefit your business in a positive manner. I hope this video was helpful and that you keep in mind when engaging in online marketing. If you would like to learn more about online marketing strategies that actually work and earn a great living by following our proven strategies, go to my website above here, freedomlifebusiness.com, and opt in to receive my daily emails and updates. Thank you for watching and good luck with your endeavors. Always make it a great day, and remember to always go for your dreams and always stay healthy, my friends.